Have you taken your vitamins today? I'm talking about skin vitamins.
The most important serums to use in our daily skincare routine is vitamin C and E, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use them. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant which reduces dark spots and brightens the skin, boosts collagen production, and protects against sun damage, therefore it's anti-aging. After cleansing your face in the morning and making sure it's dry, take 3 to 4 drops of the vitamin C serum and gently massage it onto your face, and remember to take it down your neck. Combined with vitamin C, vitamin E serum is also a powerhouse that deeply nourishes and hydrates the skin, repairs, heals, and prevents premature aging and skin damage. After your vitamin C has absorbed fully, take a small amount of vitamin E serum and apply it all over your skin in the same way. Followed by a lightweight moisturizer if needed, and remember to always use a sunscreen with at least an SPF 50 during the daytime. I even add the vitamin E serum to my foundation to make it more sheer and dewy. And if you really want to ditch all your expensive eye creams and go all natural, then use a few drops of their almond oil and apply it under the eyes to reduce dark circles and puffiness. And because all these ingredients are natural, they're safe to use on preteens and teenagers as well.
Well, I'm happy that this year I really upped my skincare game with natural products. What about you?